They're starting now, guys. Take it off. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, I didn't really play my iPad for 3 hours, and me and Ate Kim decided to make some snacks. So here is the snacks. Guys, this is the pancake, which is Ate Kim mix it, and the batter, which is there's the batter. Then I don't know what this called. What's this? What's pancake maker? I thought this was not pancake maker. Yeah, there it is. And the hot dog is still cooking here. Like, where's the hot dog? Hot dog, it's still cooking. So we have still what's this called? Syrup, which is we're gonna put it over there. How can we put the pan? How? Which is like a mini ball.
A mini ball.
Mini ball, like corn dog. Here, this is like thick. It's not thin. It's thick.
Slime.
It's a slime. I think hand me activator and food coloring. How about we put food coloring in this one?
No, the food coloring.
We had this one. Slime.
Yeah, wait sa
Wait, guys, I'm just gonna get the slime downstairs.
No, wait
Put it
sa hot dog.
downstairs.
Gonna wait for the hot dog to cook.
To very, very cook. They're starting now, guys. Take it off. We're making the mini ball one, which is like the corn dog on it. You know that.
Kung ato po sa ilaw.
Oh. So, I can put it back. That's enough.
We're
Okay. Oh, it's hot. Baker? No. You're scared. Guys, we're just gonna wait for 5 minutes. So we're gonna be back. Woo!
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So guys, it's already cooked, but Ate Kim will open it because it's hot. Ooh, yummy. Why is it wet? I'm gonna get my plate. I wanna eat that. Put soap on it or no? Look, rolling in the bowl.
finished product.
Ma!
There's the finished product of our waffle with
No, I hate syrup. No, no thank you.
finished. Oh, yum.
Oh, yeah. Syrup is good, not the... Can you put two original ones? Put only two original ones.
Butter na tikim.
Put the original one, please. It's good, guys. It tastes like hot dog, which is it's like, you know what's that again? Like the pancakes, the pancakes look like smashed. tastes like, you know, a lot of hot dog you put in. You can just taste the hot dog. You can try this, guys, but with adults on you, same as Ate Kim and Yaya. Baba, I'm gonna eat it. Yummy. Yum, yum, yummy. I'm gonna be back later.